Hi, welcome back to Roatan. I'm Chris Singer. This is Sophia Fideo, and we're with Roatan Life Real Estate. And we are at a beautiful home today. Where are we, Sophia?
We're in Coral Views. So this is Casa Margarita.
Casa Margarita. I like
Yes.
that.
And we're here in Coral Views Village. So this is a development on the east end of the island. So we're just past French Harbor.
Oh, very good.
So Casa Margarita is MLS 18-435. We're listed here at $1.2 million.
How many square feet do you get out here for that?
We're 7,400 square feet here.
Wow, that's a lot of square footage. And I'm looking around, there's a lot of balconies, this view. Let's take a look at this view. Wow.
Isn't this amazing?
It is. Do you think you get sunset views out here?
Oh, you most certainly do get sunset views here. And the interesting thing is, every room in this home offers you an ocean view.
Ooh, I'm going to hold you to that as we take a look.
Oh, it's going to happen, my friend. And so the interesting thing is that this here is the north shore of Roatan. And if you flip around and look to the other side,
oh, we have another ocean
we have
view.
the south shore over there.
Beautiful.
So you get the ocean views of both sides of the island.
Well, this is going to be an amazing home tour. It is so nice today after our storm yesterday. It is absolutely beautiful. Clear skies, flat water, and a nice gentle breeze. All the way through this home, it looks like.
All the way through this home. So do you want to have a look?
I do. I'm very excited.
Okay, let's leave this outdoor entertainment area and let's go on inside.
Wonderful.
So we're stepping in here to the dining room. It's an open concept living area and stunning ocean views no matter where you're seated at this table.
And this is a really nice open concept. I mean, we've got seating here for 8. How many bedrooms are in this house?
So you've got 6 bedrooms. One of them is currently being used as an office.
Wow.
6 bedrooms, 6 baths, and there is a 1-bedroom apartment included in that that's down below.
Wow, so many options for, would you say this would be a great residential home, vacation rental?
Great residential rentals. They do rentals right now here.
Okay.
They've just started with that. And then the 1-bedroom apartment can be rented out as well.
Well, it'd also be nice, maybe a caretaker. Take care of the property, do the management. Wonderful.
Absolutely.
We're going to take a quick peek. Just have to
So
see
quick peek right here. Outdoor dining area.
Wow. Look at that view all the way across. And we're kind of near the golf course, aren't we?
Yeah, we're right close to Pristine Bay. So if golf is what you're interested in, just right next door. And then you're close to French Harbor where there's nightlife. There are some restaurants. There's a little bit of everything over here.
Great. Wow. Beautiful spot. Ah, and it opens right up onto the living space.
Right onto the living space, yes. Very spacious home. So if you have a large family or you have lots of friends that like to visit, there's lots of space here.
Well, this is fantastic, and a lot of architectural details. Really nice.
Really nice.
And I really like the flooring. It looks like wood, but it's the tile.
It's tile, yes.
Beautiful, easy cleanup and maintenance.
So here you have a formal parlor.
Ah, okay.
How often you see one of these? So with a secondary entrance.
Very good. So you have your main entry here. If you were running, say, a home office type of thing, maybe this would be a good use.
You could greet guests here or clients. That's an option here. And once again, you have your ocean view.
All right, that's ocean view number 1, huh? Very nice.
So back into the living space. And then this is a chef's kitchen.
Ah, chef's kitchen. All right. Oh, look at these appliances.
All imported appliances.
Frigidaire, it looks like.
Frigidaire appliances. You've got a really nice stove top. You've got a convection oven here. You have a secondary convection oven. And down below here, we do have a wine fridge.
Ooh, how do I get to that? Where? Oh, sorry. Oh, look
right
at that.
Here.
Beautiful.
These are the features, you know, that I make sure to mention.
Special attention. And I see there's an actual walk-in pantry.
There is a walk-in pantry, yes, so that you can have all your food and your appliances back in there and not have them clutter up the counter space.
And on a side note, you could actually just, if you're having a barbecue, it looks like the kitchen's set up right outside. You could do a little pass-through.
You can pass right through to whoever's grilling. Yes, absolutely.
Well, all right, let's see those bedrooms and ocean views.
So the first, right here, if you take a quick look, there is an ensuite laundry.
Very nice.
So if you're having a little extra help, the maid can definitely take care of things here.
Excellent.
So these stairs down below go to the one-bedroom apartment that we'll view afterwards. But we do have a nice first floor master right here.
Oh, a main floor master is so nice. You can avoid all the stairs. It's really nice. So if you've got maybe some
elderly family members, no stairs.
Oh, and look at that view, Sophia. You promised.
So great ocean view right here. So this is overlooking the North Shore.
And there's that golf course. Very nice.
There's that golf course, absolutely. And so this is not what they're using as a master, but all the bedrooms here do have ensuite walk-in closets and their own bathroom as well.
Very nice. And they all have patios.
All have patios.
Beautiful. And it's that coral, so it doesn't get hot on your feet.
Doesn't get hot on your feet, and it's slip-proof.
Ooh, even better.
Coral stone, yes. So if there's a quick look there, that's one of the walk-in closets. And then here we have the ensuite bath.
All right, should we go upstairs?
Well, we have to, there's a den first.
Oh,
so currently, so there's a little guest bathroom right there.
It's a den?
Well, this is what this could be the 6th bedroom, but right now it's set up as an office space.
Well, this is really nice. This is a really nice little
If you're going to have to work when you're in Roatan, this is where you want to do it.
Absolutely.
With views of both sides of the island, and as I promised, ocean view and ocean view.
Oh, well done. Good job. Nice high ceiling, too.
Nice high ceilings, a lot of details here. They did take a lot of time planning everything out.
And even with all the natural light coming through.
Light,
That's
yeah.
very nice.
So let's go upstairs.
Oh, wow, Sophia, this is a nice touch.
So nice little wet bar here. So if you are renting, you can sit back, have drinks here. You know, meet with family. If there's the kids somewhere, the teenagers somewhere else, a lot of really nice space here.
Nice space, yeah, absolutely. And again, taking advantage of that ocean view and natural light.
Absolutely. So let's go to the second guest bedroom, I guess we could call it. They've got it set up for rentals here. So taking advantage, bunk beds for kids.
Very nice. Oh, but look, there's that ocean view.
Another ocean view. And private patio.
Really nice. And again, you have your walk-in closet and your ensuite bath. Oh,
absolutely.
Really lovely. Very nice. And again, really nice high ceilings.
Very nice high ceilings. And once again, this is right over that last master on the first floor that we saw. So it has exactly the same views of the golf course and of the North Shore.
Fantastic. So do you know what's going on in this area? Is this always going to be green, or do you know if it's a development?
That is another development on that side, but that's part of the golf course. So I don't think there's going to be a lot of development on parts of that, because that is an 18-hole golf course.
Right.
And then over here, we do have the rest of the Coral Views development.
But nothing that would obstruct this view.
No, you would never
Absolutely
have
not.
anything that would obstruct this view.
Beautiful lot. Wow.
And so now we're going to go into the, we're going to turn around. We're going to go into another guest bedroom.
Oh, Sophia, there's that view and private patio again. And now this is the south side?
So this is the South Shore. So this is overlooking French Harbor. And if we go outside,
sorry, there was a big breeze. I got caught in it earlier.
Today. So here we're overlooking French Harbor, the south shore of Roatan, and this is also the development right in front of us. So there will be a couple more homes here, but because there's a nice valley, nothing would obstruct the view.
Absolutely. Hey, I know that you guys can't see this on camera, but we can actually see Cayo's Cucinos from here.
Oh, we sure can.
Beautiful. And this is a really nice sized guest bed.
This is a great sized bedroom for guests. Great views. You have their private bathroom and once again a walk-in closet. So good sized walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's check out that master.
Ooh. What goes up there, just out of curiosity?
Oh, we'll go up there next.
Oh, okay, great.
So as you enter the master, you've got a gigantic.
That's a 5-piece bath.
This is a 5-piece. So nice jet tub in here. That's a rarity here on the island.
Absolutely.
You've got a nice standalone shower and his and her sinks.
It's beautiful tile work, really nicely done. And it does have a built-in fan, so that's nice.
Yes, absolutely.
Not always guaranteed on the islands. Look at that view, Sophia. Wow, you get views of both
sides of the island from the master suite, yes.
Oh.
So imagine waking up here every day, looking at that. You can see the reef, you can see the colorations of the water.
Oh,
it's just stunning.
Just stunning. And I bet you've got a bit of a sunrise.
You do get the sunrise over here as well.
I do love a sunrise. Pinks and purple. Oh, it's stunning.
Have a seat.
Ah, yes. Thank you. This is really cool. So about the house, does the house come furnished? This is a large house.
The house is coming fully furnished.
Oh, wow. That's great. So it truly is turnkey.
It is turnkey furnished, ready for you to move in.
Wonderful.
Or anybody you know.
Very good.
So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Coral Views. Coral Views is the development where this home is located in. So it's a really nice gated community. And the neat thing is that even though it's in Big Bite, it does have direct access from the main highway, which means you don't have to go and take all that dirt road. It's right from the paved road. You come in and you're into the development.
So is there 24-hour security at this road?
There is. There's 24-hour
great.
security at both entrances, which is quite nice. Paved roads, underground utilities. There is a well for the community.
Okay, is that included in the HOAs?
Included at the HOAs, but water is billed separately.
As it should. It's metered, basically.
It's metered, yes, and it's comparable to everywhere else on the island.
Perfect.
And then if you have a look over here,
oh yes,
right down over there, you can't really see it from here. There's a beach. There's a beach and a dock that's included in the HOA fees. Access to that is a manicured beach. There is even an extra pool down there.
Oh, there's a pool.
There is a community pool.
Oh, nice. So you said there was a manicured beach and pool, so you could actually get in, go for a swim. Everything's there.
Snorkel, kayak.
About what is the HOA?
So it's $100 a month.
Oh, well, that is extremely reasonable.
Very, very reasonable. For everything that you're getting, it's great.
Wow. Very good. Okay. Wow. What else? Where? You said we were in near French Harbor.
Near French Harbor.
Does that mean we're pretty close to some banks and some restaurants? The amenities, like, you know, you need to get to a grocery store or something
Everything
like that?
is right here. So 5-minute drive from Coral Views. You're in French Harbor. They have some great restaurants. They do have banks. They have grocery stores. A little bit of shopping.
Perfect. About how far are we from the airport, just so we have an idea of...
I think you're about 15 minutes with the new road, 15, 20 minutes from the airport.
That's very good. So it's a kind of, I mean, West End is about 15 minutes from the airport, so we're just the other direction 15 minutes.
Exactly.
We're not too far.
We're not too far, and with our new roads, it's getting so easy to get around.
Excellent. All right, well, should we take a look at that apartment?
Yes, but first, I want to show you the rooftop.
Oh, a rooftop. Oh, I love rooftop patios. Oh.
So this is the built-in closet, yeah.
Beautiful, nice hardwood.
Nice hardwood, lots of space for you to put everything away.
And this is almost in every bedroom too. They all have nice hardwood closets.
Very nice finishes in this home.
Very nice.
envision to have a little garden where you have your herbs and then you can maybe do your yoga here so it doesn't get too hot. That's kind of what I had envisioned for this space.
Interesting, I like it.
So as we go upstairs, this is something that a purchaser could expand on by doing a rooftop patio.
Oh yeah. I can envision seeing a little palapa up here. Maybe some lounge chairs.
Absolutely, and then take in the view. You get to see the mountains. You get to go, wow, 360.
It really is. This is gorgeous. Oh, you can actually, yeah, you can see the mountains of the mainland.
You can see the mountains of the mainland.
Well, this is absolutely stunning, Sophia. I really look forward to seeing that basement apartment.
Let's go. It's a nice community. There's other homes nearby, so you're not feeling remote.
You've done such a nice job. I was going to ask you about the wall over here.
This is a plastered wall.
It looks like is it Italian plaster or something like that?
I think so.
It's really nice, and it's easy to clean.
Very easy to clean. And I actually like the color. I know some people think it's a little bit loud. I enjoy it.
I think it's great for a tropical island home. Absolutely.
So what's interesting about this one-bedroom apartment is that you can the main house, but there's also a private entrance as well. So there's a full kitchen.
Oh, this is a nice size. I mean, this is a beautiful, they didn't spare anything. I mean, you've got granite countertops, nice appliances again. Really nice space.
Very nice use of space, and it has access to the garage.
Okay.
And then there's another access as well.
Oh, wow. Plenty of options.
Plenty of options. And then as you come in here, this is the living area. It's a studio, nice bedroom, and ensuite, and then the entrance, the exterior entrance in front of the house.
Perfect. And, dare I ask, is there an ocean view? There is an ocean view. Right now, some people are standing outside, but that's just the housekeeper, so we kicked her out.
We kindly asked her to leave.
Sorry. But this is really nice. So do you think tenant or?
I definitely think you could do long-term rentals here. They have done short-term as well.
Okay.
Because it's close to French Harbor, you know, anybody that comes here for work from the mainland, this is a really good option for them.
Oh, of course.
Let's go back out to the pool and have one more look at that view.
Oh, sounds great. And that breeze. Ooh, love it. Oh, it's beautiful. I could lounge here. You think you could lounge here? I think I could lounge here.
Well, thank you for joining us on our tour of Casa Margarita. Once again, MLS 18-435. This luxury home is listed at $1.2 million. We hope you enjoyed your tour of this home, and please let us know on any questions you may have.
Well, thanks again, Sophia. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.